Imagine earning money just by telling AI, no, that answer doesn't make sense, or this image is not a dog, it's a clear confused goat. Yes, you can actually get paid for that. And no, it's not a joke, it's Neevo, one of the most interesting platforms where normal people help train artificial intelligence and get paid for it. So let's break it down. Neevo is one of the most underrated platforms where your everyday human brain becomes valuable. So if you ever wanted to be part of building smarter tech, this one is for you. Neevo is an online community where companies bring AI training projects and normal people like you and me help improve those systems. Think of it like this. AI is smart, yes, but without human corrections, it becomes that child in school who confidently answers every question wrong. So Neevo connects companies to humans so we can teach the AI what is correct, what is wrong, and how normal people think. You are not coding, you are not building robots, you are not hacking anything, you are simply guiding AI to behave properly. And by the way, the companies using Neevo aren't small. We are talking about Yahoo Japan, MasterCard, Nuance, Randstad, and a whole lineup of global tech brands. You are literally part of building the AI that powers real products around the world. So feel proud. You are not just clicking for money, you are shaping the future. So let me make it simple. You can start by signing up through the link in the description, and once you click the link, you will find yourself on the platform. And once you find yourself on this platform, as you can see, Neevo is a place where you can actually shape the future, and there's a lot of things involved that you don't know. So with time, you get to know better anyway. So all you have to do is to click on Join Today up there. And once you click on it, you'll find yourself on the registration form. And the next thing you need to do is to fill this form with your name, your first name, your last name, your email, your password, and ensure that your password contains uppercase, lowercase, number, and special character. And after that, you'll be taken to where you have to accept their privacy agreement and all of that. And you can also tell them to always alert you whenever there's a new project. So you can just check the box and then continue. Now, this is the most interesting part, They are telling us to select our language, okay? So here you can select your local language anyway. But first of all, I select English because that's our general language in Nigeria. And after selecting English, I select my countries, because once you select English, they are going to give you a list of countries that speaks English officially. So that is under country. So I select I'm a fluent English speaker and not a native speaker, okay? And after that, you'll be required to, select another language, like to add more languages, depending on how many languages you understand. The more language you add, the more your chance of being merged to any project that is ongoing, okay? So my next language selection is Yoruba, okay? I selected Yoruba, and I definitely told them I'm a native speaker and my region is Lagos State, okay? Lagos State, Nigeria. Now, after selecting that, if you know that you can speak more than 2 languages, more than 3 languages, just list everything there. It will increase your chance of getting more project offers, okay? Now, after that, you need to select your date of birth, your month, your day, your year, then gender and male, country of residence, Nigeria, state, district, Lagos, city of residence, you put it there. Educational level, you put it there as well. Field of education, your field of study, so you put that as well. Then you click update info. Now, after updating your info, they are asking for your image. You can just click on change image and upload your image. Then after uploading your image, you just click continue. It's as simple as that. Then they ask you to confirm your email. So what you have to do right now is to visit your Gmail account or your Yahoo Mail, whichever mail you are using, or Hotmail. Just visit it and locate the confirmation mail, click on it, and click on the confirmation link. And that is that. You have verified your Neevo account. So the next thing, just click on start browsing jobs. Now they will take you to your profile here, where or if any job is available based on the information you have provided. They will definitely send you a mail. Remember, we checked the mail earlier on. So make sure you do all of these. And you can always check your work history here. You can always check your skills and badges here. So it's something very, very beautiful, and definitely you will enjoy it. Now there's something you need to know. The magic is in the project themselves. These tags can come in different formats. Text, which is comparing sentences, correct grammar, and rate responses. Audio, listen to short clips, transcribe, verify pronunciations. Image, label objects, identify scenes. What about videos? Confirm actions, describe what is happening in the video. Nothing difficult, just you, your brain, and your judgment. AI cannot train itself perfectly. It needs human. Check accuracy, provide examples, reject wrong answers, rate quality, teach context, make common sense decisions. That's why platforms like Neevo exist, and that's why they pay humans, because your input has real value. Neevo pays based on the type of project you join. Simple projects, usually on the low side, maybe a few dollars. What about medium projects? Better pay depending on volumes. And if you are specialized or long-form projects, sometimes surprisingly high. But the catch, you only earn when there is a project that matches you. So this is not a daily guaranteed earning platform. It's more like when work comes, you grab it and you cash out. So if I'm being honest, Neevo is one of the few platforms that feels meaningful. You are not watching ads. You are not clicking nonsense. You are not solving captchas to your icebergs for mercy. You are actually contributing to real technology. And when the project comes, they pay well for the time you spend. I won't lie to you, the biggest frustration with Neevo is the project availability. Some months you may see great projects. Other months, absolutely nothing. Just vibes. There's also competition. When a big project drops, people jump on it fast. So if you are slow, it disappears. Still, when the work comes, it's worth it. One thing I genuinely like about Neevo is how professional it feels. Their emails are clear, the task instructions are detailed, and the pay is decent for micro tasks. But you must be patient and consistent. Neevo is not your main source of income. It's a side platform that brings good money when the project appears. Neevo is great for people who love AI, people who want meaningful online work, beginners testing tech-related tasks, students, freelancers, anyone who wants flexible, occasional extra income, people who enjoy problem solving, and anyone tired of low-paying, repetitive tasks. But it's not for anyone expecting daily guaranteed earning. Neevo is one of the smartest, cleanest, and most legitimate microtask platform out there. You are literally helping building AI that powers the world, from virtual assistant to voice bots to even self-driving cars. But the availability of projects is not guaranteed, so use it as a side platform, not your main hustle. So that's the full breakdown of Neevo, what it is, how it works, how much it pays, and whether it's worth your time. If you want me to review more legit AI training platform, hit that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe for more honest review. Whatever you do, never stop making money.